Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. Today we are going to get a sink basket in here, get this sink hooked up, get the side splashes put back on, put some kind of a wood base down in this cabinet, put the drawers back in, hook up this P-trap, put this mirror up, and we're going to get started now. Alright folks, so we got the bathroom sink up and running, straining nicely. I got no drips. I put some cardboard just to make sure my no drippage. This one I had cardboard and I tightened up a couple things underneath there, and then I threw a coat of paint on my new piece of wood. I just did clean a paintbrush in the sink here. I don't like that on a new sink. Alright, so I got that little piece of trim molding in there to cover my gap. I got my side splashes all caulked out. Mirrors up. I did a trash run here and got all the trash for the most part out of here. And the only thing left is these outlets. I'm going to switch out these outlets, put some cover plates. I have a new GFI for right here. And this used to be a garbage disposal. This gets taken out, so it's just a white GFI with a blank. That's a fun cover to find. Some new switches, cover plate there, cover plates. I'm going to get this aluminum and copper and brass scrap out of here. I got to put these splash guards on. And I got to bring some different screws. I got blinds. But I don't like the screws that come with the blinds, so I'm going to bring my little shorty drywall screws and put that blind up, and I'll stop at Lowe's, a different Lowe's first thing in the morning, and for the a big blind here. They didn't have it at the Lowe's I went to. So, what else? Water wings. Thank you for watching Old School Customs. Please hit like, subscribe, share the video, leave a comment. Have a good day.